Alright, so step 1 for this recipe is to get some lemons. Elise, say hi.
I can put this on when I'm not home.
Come on, my helper. We're gonna get some lemons off the tree for the drink. Alright.
Basket on my head.
We don't need a lot of lemons. Let's try and pick some good ones. It's such a blessing having a lemon tree. It seriously is. I'll get this one. Okay. Do you have your basket? Bring it here. Thank you. This one here. Alright. Alright, Mom. There you go. What you say, Mom?
This one's cool.
Which one?
This one.
This one? Okay, go ahead, get it for me. Pull hard. Alright. Oh, I see a really big one right there. Hope it ain't no spiders. How many lemons do we have so far?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6?
Yeah.
2, 4. Yeah, you're right. 6 lemons.
I picked this one.
Get some more lemons. Okay. So, oh, you got one? You got a lemon? So how many do we have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10? Girl, you sure? Alright, so let's go back in the house. So we also have some mint. And I might just grab some. You want to get some for me? Got, oh, it smells so good. I'm going to get some mint leaves here.
Mint is
oh yeah, look at this. Alright, so seriously, let's go back inside. Alright, getting it ready.